Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. Now, this one unboxing is of a device that whenever I see it on sale that it hits technically $250, I go right ahead and pull the trigger. Now, this item that I'm actually talking about is actually this GoPro Hero Black 8. Now, the very first GoPro that I actually bought was the Hero 7 Black. And that one was technically the same price. I was waiting for it to hit, its lowest price in Best Buy, and I actually pulled the trigger and I actually got it. So I did the exact same thing for this one. Now, I'm not exactly sure how many years it took for this one to hit what was the 7. But yeah, so nonetheless, I got it for 250 bucks. It's not cheap, but I mean, that is the lowest that I know that these devices go. So just FYI, if you're looking for, a GoPro for maybe, just for the holidays or something like that, I'm fairly certain that this device will actually go on sale, most likely like in Black Friday or anything like that, or Cyber Monday. So just FYI on that. Now, one of the cool things that I actually got, and this is extra stuff that they actually gave me for free. So I actually bought the GoPro via Best Buy. So I actually got this Platinum Extreme accessory kit. So yeah, they just basically included this for free when I purchased the GoPro. So alright, so nonetheless, let's go right ahead and unbox this. Alright, so one of the major difference that I did see regarding just the packaging from the 7th to the 8th is that they actually give you this pretty cool carrying case, which the 7 did not have. So alright, let's go right ahead and see what we get in here. Look at that. It looks all neat, all professional. So if you ever need to take it with you or anything like that, you could go right ahead and put it back to this inside this case. Alright, so of course, first thing we get is the GoPro Hero 8. So go ahead and just take all this stuff out. So looking at the GoPro 8, so this one doesn't have like this little, so this one's the Hero 7. Doesn't have this little, I guess cage going around it, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to deal with what if this breaks and then you have to buy a replacement one. You actually get this right here, so you could go right ahead and basically mount it to whatever adapters you have. So that's pretty cool. And from the looks of it, if anything breaks, you could go right ahead and replace the legs right there. So overall, I mean, doesn't look, too different. Looks similar. Screen does not look, first glance, it does not look bigger. So, all right, cool deal. So I'll go ahead and turn this on later on. Let's see what else we got. Completely forgot. So I wanted to also show you exactly where the battery and all that SD card is going to be. So let's see if we do this. And there we go. So it just slides open. Oh, and actually, I didn't break it. It actually, you can actually, remove this this little door right here. So this little accessory door. So if by any chance you wanna, so if you always want to technically have this charged, you could go right ahead and basically charge it this way. So from the looks of it, the SD card basically slides in right here. And of course the battery slides just right in here. Now, one of the things that I'm noticing actually from this model is that it doesn't have, the Hero 8 Black actually does not have this little I believe it's the micro HDMI adapter. So I don't see it anywhere. So I don't believe that this model actually has it. So I mean, this was pretty cool because I could actually set this up with an Elgato adapter and actually set it up as a webcam. It was okay, I mean, but I eventually upgraded to a DSLR camera. So yeah, just FYI, it does not look like this GoPro Hero 8 has a little micro HDMI adapter. Charging cable, of course, nothing too exciting. I believe these aren't really that big. They might be like maybe 3 feet or maybe less than that. So yeah, we got the charge cable. We have a battery right here. Oops. We do have a sliding clip right here. And that's pretty cool. They still give you these little, helmet mounts. So cool deal. So they do give you one of these. I believe in the 7 they gave you 2. I believe it was one of them was curved like this. And then the other one was, I believe it was flat. And of course the thumb screw right here. Here, most likely, of course, instructions, manuals, all that good stuff. So there we go. How to charge. Let's see, how to mount and all that stuff. So, oh, cool. And then there's some stickers. Alrighty, well that is technically the quick unboxing of this. I'm going to go ahead and test this out and see. I'm fairly certain it's going to be, you know, just magnificent, just like the GoPro Hero 7. I mean, I had no issues with this. I will be making a different video just unboxing this Platinum Extreme accessory kit, and I'm actually going to be comparing the accessories that are in here because I do have authentic GoPro ones. Alright everybody, that is the end of this unboxing. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you on the next one.